Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you my favorite top 5 pressed powders and compacts. So if you want to know what those products are, then please keep on watching. Also, I have made other videos in the same top 5 favorite series. You can definitely check them out in my channel, or I will also be linking the video links in the description box below. You can definitely check them out if you want to. Now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. Now before we even begin, I would like to tell you the difference between pressed powders and loose powders. Now technically the base formulation is same, whereas the pressed powder has ingredients that helps the powder to form into a solid. The pressed form of loose powders are technically the pressed powders. Loose powders might be messy at times, so that's why we have pressed powders, which is very handy and convenient to take and travel with. Loose powders are light in weight than the pressed powders, and depending upon your skin type, you can either use a loose powder or pressed powder. I would personally like to recommend you to use a loose powder if you have combination to oily skin, and a pressed powder if you have dry skin. Normal skin people can use a loose powder or a pressed powder depending upon your liking. Now I have picked my favorites from affordable to high end. Now let me just start with the affordable one. So totally I have 3 loose powders and 2 compact powders. I have oily skin and I love loose powders to set my base. So that's the reason why the majority leans towards the loose powder. So the first one I have is from Stay Quickie. The first thing that attracted me with this particular launch is that they had so many shades, and the formulation of the product is also quite good and it works great on any skin type. You have color correcting powders as well in this range, like the pink one, lavender one, yellow and orange. You can always have them in your kit so that you can touch it up whenever you feel like your base is not working out well. I personally like to use these shades on my face, yellow, beige and the white one. They actually work well on me, and I always mix and match with what base, like the liquid base, I use. Now the tools to apply powders also matters. If you use a fluffy powder brush, then the coverage is going to be very lightweight. If you prefer using a sponge or a powder puff, then the coverage is going to be heavy. So technically you use a powder puff or a sponge to bake and set your face, and if you want to slightly dust the powder onto your face, you can use a fluffy powder brush. Now you can get the Stay Quickie loose powder only on Purple website, and these are being retail for rupees 349. This is the box rate, but you do have like regular offers. You can grab yours when the price is at the lowest. So the packaging looks something like this. You have a screw lid, and also you have like this secure cap with some holes in it, so you just have to peel the sticker off and then it's like good to go. I feel like it's quite convenient and not so messy when compared with other powders. The powder does not fall out, so it's like completely fine for me. Also guys, the products that I'm showing in today's video are easily available and accessible in India, so you can definitely get them in online stores or in stores directly. So the second one I have is from Sugar. This one is their All Set to Go translucent powder. Yeah, that's right. It's called the All Set to Go translucent powder. The one I have here is the white one. I also wanted to try the yellow one. I'm just looking forward to try it. I'm definitely so sure that it would work on me because I personally love this stuff. I use this whenever my base is kind of, not working out well, or whenever I need this blurry, nice, smooth looking skin effect. I bake this powder on my skin to get that blurry, nice, smooth skin effect. I use this powder to bake my face, and trust me, all my pores just vanish and I just get this smooth canvas. I personally love this. Now I sometimes crazily load this product on my skin and it does not make my skin cakey or heavy at all. This is extremely light in weight and works great, does not turn your base ashy. Definitely don't go overboard with this product if you are doing your makeup for any of your evening or nighttime events, because this gives you a tiny bit of flashback when photographed in non-natural light. You can get this from Sugar's official website, Nykaa, Amazon and Purple, and these are being retailed for rupees 599. Now the price for each product fluctuates, so grab yours when there is offer and when you see the minimum amount for the particular product. Again, I would like to recommend this powder if you have oily skin, and you can apply this powder with a brush if you have dry skin. Now the biggest con with this packaging is that this is super messy. The powder leaks everywhere when you shake the product, so you just have to be very careful, and this is definitely not travel friendly at all. but apart from that, the consistency of the powder is like amazing. Now the third one is the Maybelline Fit Me's loose powder. Now they have quite a bit of a range, color range in this particular variant, but the darker shades are yet to be launched in India, and I'm looking forward for the darker shades to get launched in India because I personally love this product, but I can use if I want to highlight my features because this is a bit light for me. The last darkest shade available as of now in India is medium deep 30, and the consistency of the product is amazing. It works great for any skin type. Now again, I'm insisting this, if you have dry skin, use a powder brush to apply loose powder, and if you have oily skin, with this powder use a puff or a sponge, like a damp sponge, to apply this powder, and this just locks your base in the best way possible, and I personally love this. I like to set my face with this powder, but my face looks terrible when I use this powder to set the whole entire part of my face, so I just end up bronzing my face even more. But nonetheless, this is an amazing product. Now these are being retailed for rupees 695, and you get this from Amazon and Nykaa and Purple as well. This is mess free and travel friendly as well. Now the last two options I have are the pressed powders. First one is from the affordable range. I once again have the one from Maybelline Fit Me range. This one is the matte and poreless variant. So I use shade Toffee 330. This was launched a long time ago, but I started using this from last year only, and I completely love this product. This is like a lifesaver product for me. Whenever I feel like my base is like turning ashy or whitish, or if I want my base to look a bit warm, then I go for this. And I also use this product for my daily makeup as well. This is like super amazing for oily skin. It's the matte poreless variant. It helps to hide out your pores as well. Now remember this, if you want a good coverage with any powder product, use a sponge or a puff, and if you want very minimal coverage, then use a powder brush. So again, I would like to recommend this product to any skin type. If you have dry skin, use a powder brush, and if you have oily skin, you know the drill, use a sponge or a powder puff. So the packaging is very handy and travel friendly. You also do get a mirror over here with a sponge here. I lost the sponge, and yeah, this is how the packaging looks like, and these are being retailed for rupees 199, I think. You can grab them at Health and Glow stores or your Nykaa outlets, or even in your Nykaa, Amazon, Purple online websites. With regular touch-ups, this powder does not feel heavy at all. Now, if you have oily skin, then your face will accept this regular retouch-ups with this powder. But if you have dry skin, just make sure you use a very tiny amount of the product. But for oily skin people, you can go ahead and retouch with this. Now, the last product is my ultimate favorite. This is the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Now this technically is called a powder foundation, but you can also use this as a compact powder. Like, it just works in both ways. So I use shade NC45, which is a bit lighter for me. You can see I hit the pan already over here, and I also have a backup Studio Fix compact because I personally love this product. Again, when it comes to saving my base, this is what I use. This works great if you have normal to combination to oily skin. Dry skin people can avoid this. Now the packaging looks something like this, very handy and convenient. Again, you have a portable mirror and a sponge as well. Again, I don't have the sponge right now with me, but yeah, this is how the packaging looks. This is being retailed for rupees 2,900 rupees. You can get this from MAC stores or Nykaa. This compact from MAC has beautiful pigmentation, and you just need a tiny amount of this product to cover your blemishes or your dark spots. Even with just applying this powder on your face works great without any base product. Base products as in your foundation or concealer, you can definitely go ahead and apply only this one if you are running late, or if you want a very minimal coverage, or if you want your base to be super light in weight, then you can just opt this. This is my last and final recommendation for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and also let me know your favorite loose powders or compact powders in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!